10th standard lesson number 2, location and extent. Location means a place or position and extent means the length, area, size or importance of something. Now we are comparing of India and Brazil map. India is the second largest populated country in the world. India is famous for spices in the world. Cricket is a popular sport in India. Now we are seeing about Brazil. Brazil is famous for samba dance. Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world. Football is a popular sport of Brazil. Now name of the country Republic of India. Name of the capital is New Delhi. Location, extent and boundaries we will see of India. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of Asian continent. With the help of figure 2.1, find the extent of the mainland India. Fill in the degree values in degree in the blank spaces. Now here 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Observe figure 2.1. Identify the countries and water bodies around India and complete the table in your notebook. Let's see map of India. Neighboring countries of India. The neighboring countries of India are China, Nepal, Bhutan to the north side, Pakistan, Afghanistan to the west side, Sri Lanka and Indian Ocean to the south side, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Bay of Bengal to the east side. Name of the country, Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of the capital, Brasilia. Location, extent and boundaries. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South America continent. With the help of figure 2.2, find the extent of the mainland Brazil. Fill in the degree value in blank spaces. 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes and between to 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitudes. Observe figure 2.2. Identify Brazil's neighboring countries and oceans. Fill in the chart given below in your notebook. The neighboring countries of Brazil are South Atlantic Ocean to the east side, Uruguay, South Atlantic Sea to the south side, Argentina, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia to the west side, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French, North Atlantic Ocean to the north side. Historical background of India. India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century. India got its independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine, situations in various parts and similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country of the world. India is considered to be a global, means a universal market too, because of various economic reforms. From time to time, India's economic development has paced up. The proportion of youth in India population is high. Because of this forms a major part of a working population. India is looked upon as young country. Now we are comparing of historical background to Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. Brazil gained its independence in 1822. From 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under a populist military government. It has overcome global financial difficulties in the late 20th century. Brazil is seen as contributor to economic growth of the world and an important market in the future. Show the figure element in figure 2.3. Name all the continents and oceans of the world. Color Brazil and India using different colors and more name. Draw equator on the map and write its value in degree. Show the symbol for direction.
काय केलीस